Hey everyone, it's Carrie from Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm joining in the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesdays, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Lilo's Craft. I am participating in a Valentine's Day swap. This was a great way to use up a lot of my scraps. Let me show you what I've created. The first set of embellishments are these glittered hearts. I added foam dots on the back and hot glued just one of them to the paper so she can pull these off and reuse them in her projects. I have a lot of these 4x4 plastic sleeves. I cut some cardstock to back it, and this is my first set of embellishments. The next set of embellishments that I have are these handmade word embellishments. I had a lot of scraps sitting on my desk, and I thought instead of tossing them, I would make these Valentine's Day word clusters. And here's some extra ones. And this is using all scraps. And then these are some words from one of the Tim Holtz word paper pads. At first, what I was going to do was make bag toppers for these, but I saw Raina create this envelope bag. And so I immediately made this bag. The only thing I haven't done is I did not add the Velcro because I want to wait to see after I stuff it where I want that to lay. Followed her very easy tutorial and made the little wallet, I believe she called it, her little wallet. These 4x4 sleeves fit perfectly in this wallet. And so now I won't have to make bag toppers for them. That's where these will go when I ship out my Valentine's Day swap package. Raina, thank you so much for the really easy tutorial that you had on your channel for this wallet. And I had so much fun using up my scraps to make these cute embellishment word clusters and these hearts. These were super easy to make. And I got the idea because I was going through an ephemera pack and there was just a glittered heart. And I thought, oh, I can easily make them. And they were super easy. I used my Martha Stewart punch on those. All right, guys, that's it. I'm joining in the hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day.